5 foods to eat if you have COVID. A healthy immune system is important for good health. It can also help prevent infections and improve the recovery time after an illness. Unfortunately, poor nutrition can lead to various health conditions such as inflammation and oxidative stress. These conditions can affect the immune system's ability to fight infections. The WHO officially declared the coronavirus pandemic in March 2020. The disease, which is known as SARS-CoV-2, has been identified as COVID-19. COVID-19 negatively affects nutritional status because it decreases appetite and may limit your access to nutritious foods during confinement, yet it simultaneously increases your body's need for nutrients, such as vitamin D. Getting the proper nutrition and diet can help support your immune system's ability to fight infections. It can also help prevent inflammation and improve the recovery time after an illness. Although it's not always possible to prevent a person from getting sick due to the novel coronavirus, certain foods can help support the body's immune system. In this video, I will talk about some of the key nutrients and practices that can help people recover from or get back to health after being infected with COVID-19. 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is the most frequently discussed micronutrient among nutrition experts for the management of COVID-19. Studies have shown that vitamin D can help suppress the activity of the immune system. It can also help prevent inflammation and improve the recovery time after an illness. In the body, vitamin D is able to convert angiotensin-converting enzyme 2 into a protein receptor. This receptor is located in fat tissue and lungs. The novel coronavirus can bind to the ACE2 protein at the beginning of an infection, which can trigger severe illness and respiratory distress in people with COVID-19. However, by interacting with the ACE2 receptors, vitamin D can prevent the virus from binding to them. This could also help decrease the severity of the illness and its complications. Vitamin D may also play a protective role and support the healing of damaged tissues, primarily in the lungs. Foods to eat. Most people are able to make about 80% of their vitamin D by getting exposed to ultraviolet light. They also need to supplement their diet with vitamin D. Since people with COVID-19 are unlikely to be exposed to sunlight, taking vitamin D may be a good idea for them if they're in a tight confinement. Some medications, such as blood thinners, can interact with vitamin D supplements. This is because the risk of blood clotting has increased in people infected with COVID-19. That's why it's best to speak with a healthcare professional before you start taking vitamin D supplements regularly. Getting enough vitamin D through food is also beneficial for people with COVID-19. It can help decrease the risk of getting a vitamin D deficiency and improve their immune system. Here are 7 foods rich in vitamin D, along with the amount of the vitamin each contains. Cod liver oil, 170% of the daily value, DV, per 1 tablespoon, 13.6 grams. Herring, 27% of the DV per 100 grams. Egg yolk, 27% of the DV per 100 grams. Sardine, 24% of the DV per 100 grams. Canned light tuna, 34% of the DV per 100 grams. Salmon, wild caught or farmed, 66% of the DV per 100 grams. Fortified orange juice, 25% of the DV per 100 grams. Although wild mushrooms are a source of vitamin D, their levels can vary depending on the light they were exposed to. 2. Carotenoids and vitamin A. Aside from being pigments, these compounds are also known as antioxidants. They can be found in various food items, such as vegetables, fruits, and algae. Only around 30 of the 700 pigments found in nature have been identified in the human body. Some of these include beta-carotene and vitamin A. One of the most common types of antioxidant compounds is vitamin A, which has anti-inflammatory properties. It can also help treat respiratory infections and pneumonia. Studies have shown that taking vitamin A can improve the response of the body's immune system and decrease the severity of COVID-19. Researchers think it protects the ACE2 receptors, similarly to vitamin D, and may work on several other molecular targets to combat COVID-19. Some people may develop vitamin A deficiency during infections such as COVID-19, and this may actually increase the severity of the disease. If this happens, you might need to take vitamin A supplements. Although drug interactions are not always possible with vitamin A supplements, they can still occur in people who are taking them. Foods to eat. Dark green leafy vegetables and organ meats, particularly liver, are rich sources of vitamin A. Here are 8 foods rich in vitamin A, along with the percent of the DV per 100 grams of each. Beef liver, 5.52% of the DV. Chicken liver, 3.27% of the DV. King mackerel, 24% of the DV. Goat cheese, 54% of the DV. Sweet potato, cooked, 87% of the DV. Collard greens, 28% of the DV. Carrots, raw, 93% of the DV. Baby spinach, raw, 31% of the DV. 3. Zinc. Zinc deficiency has been associated with an increased risk of infections and poorer outcomes in those with COVID-19. One of the most important minerals that can be used to treat various diseases is zinc. It has been known that its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help lower the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. In addition, zinc can help lower the risk of getting a bacterial or viral infection in COVID-19. It can also decrease the activity of the ACE2 receptors, which are targets of the coronavirus. It can also help protect the lungs from getting infected with COVID-19. Currently, studies are being conducted on the use of zinc as a therapeutic agent for this condition. If you have been diagnosed with zinc deficiency, your doctor may recommend taking zinc supplements. However, be aware that taking too much can cause zinc to be toxic. Foods to eat. Here are 7 foods rich in zinc, along with the percent of the DV per 100 grams of each. Ground beef, 41% of the DV. Dark chocolate, 70 to 85% cacao, 30% of the DV. Seafood oyster, canned, 73% of the DV. Cashew nuts, 53% of the DV. Hemp seeds, 90% of the DV. Pumpkin seeds, 71% of the DV. Lentils, sprouted, raw, 14% of the DV. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. One of the most important types of fatty acids that can help lower the risk of various chronic conditions is omega-3. This substance can also help lower the risk of heart disease and other diseases. Individuals with COVID-19 can benefit from taking omega-3 fats, which are known to contain icosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. However, higher quality research in humans is needed before healthcare professionals may recommend taking it for this purpose. Omega-3 fats can help decrease the inflammation that's caused by COVID-19. It can also help prevent the development of a type of immune system disorder known as the cytokine storm. They supposedly help decrease inflammation by becoming part of the cell membranes of tissues throughout the body. They are also believed to prevent pro-inflammatory compounds from being produced. In addition to helping decrease inflammation, taking omega-3 fats can also help improve the mood and anxiety of people infected with COVID-19. Research is underway to determine the therapeutic role of omega-3 fats for COVID-19. Foods to eat. Here are 8 foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, along with the amount of omega-3s found in each. Note that these contain different types of omega-3s. Chia seeds, 6 grams per 100 grams. Soybean, dry roasted, 1.4 grams per 100 grams. Sardines, canned, 498 milligrams per 100 grams. Cod liver oil, 935 milligrams per tablespoon. King mackerel, 159 milligrams per 100 grams. Flaxseed, 23 grams per 100 grams. Walnuts, 9 grams per 100 grams. Salmon, 113 milligrams per 100 grams. As you may have noticed, many foods rich in omega-3 fats are also rich sources of vitamin D. 5. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant vitamin that supports immune health in people of all ages. Studies have shown that vitamin C can help lower the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions, and also support recovery from the common cold. Research also shows that people with COVID-19 can benefit from taking vitamin C. It can help improve their recovery and performance after a course of treatment. Although some scientific studies question the use of vitamin C in treating bacterial and pneumonia infections, it's believed that it can help prevent these conditions from happening. Preliminary evidence suggests that taking vitamin C may help those with COVID 19, but more studies on humans are needed. Foods to eat. Here are 8 foods naturally high in vitamin C, along with the percent of the DV per 100 grams of each. Guava, raw, 253% of the DV. Acerola, West Indian cherry, 1867% of the DV. Kiwi, raw, 103% of the DV. Cauliflower, raw, 54% of the DV. Canned tomatoes, 14% of the DV. Potato, with skin, 13% of the DV. Sweet pepper, red, 142% of the DV. Papaya, raw, 68% of the DV. The bottom line. Having a healthy immune system is very important for people with COVID 19 as it can help prevent them from experiencing recovery support and infection. Researchers are also looking into the various nutrients found in foods to see if they can help people with COVID 19. Some of these include vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin C, and zinc. Unfortunately, there is currently no evidence supporting the use of a low histamine diet for people with COVID 19. More studies are needed to confirm this.